In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for Google Calendar 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a simple desktop icon you can double click to open your calendar instantly, saving you time every day. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Calendar. Make sure the calendar actually loads because we're going to use its web address in a moment. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so the page shows your events. It's important that you're on the main calendar view so the link you copy takes you straight there. Next, minimize or resize your browser so you can clearly see your desktop. This just gives you a clean space to work and makes it easy to drag, drop, or spot the new shortcut when we create it. On your desktop, right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, choose New, and then click Shortcut. This opens the Create Shortcut window. You'll see a field that says something like, type the location of the item. We're going to paste your calendar's address into that box. Switch back to your browser for a moment. Click once on the address bar at the top to highlight the full URL for Google Calendar and copy it. Then return to the Create Shortcut window and paste that address into the location field. Make sure it starts with HTTPS so it opens securely and points directly to your calendar. Click Next. Now you'll be asked to name your shortcut. Type a clear, simple name you'll recognize at a glance. For example, My Calendar. Pick something that makes sense to you because this is the label you'll see under the icon on your desktop. Click Finish. You should immediately see a new icon appear on your desktop. That's your Google Calendar shortcut. Go ahead and double click it to test. It should open your default web browser and take you straight to your calendar. If it doesn't, double check that the address you pasted was complete and that you have an internet connection. From here, you can drag the icon to a spot on your desktop that's easy to reach or place it in a folder where you keep your daily tools. Remember, this shortcut will always open in your default browser, so it will behave consistently every time you use it. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Now you can access your schedule with a single click whenever you need it.